Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change armor color on a knife for a game Warhammer 40k Freeblade. You have to start by click on your knife, after that click on painting, and here we go, we can change a color of the armor. But also you can choose an advanced right here, and you can change each part of armor. Let's say for a helm, I need this one. For here I need a green. Cool. Now click on apply selection, continue, save and continue. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.